Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khairnar and today's topic is array list and date is 3 January 21. So what is an array? Array is a collection of similar data types which contains the contiguous memory location. Uh, array is a Array is object which contains the elements of similar data types. Array is a data structure where we can store the fixed size of element. Array is index based, means we can store the element on index, that is the element or first element store in zeroth index, and so it continuously goes on. Next is an array list. What is an array list in Java? Array list is a part of collection framework and is present in Java util package. It provides us with dynamic arrays in Java. It may be slower than standard arrays but can be helpful in programming. Uh, it can be helpful in programming which contain the manipulation of arrays is needed. This class providing Java util packages. Uh, Array list is a dynamic array and we do not have to specify the size of that array where while creating it. The size of array is increases automatically when we dynamically added the elements and remove the elements in that. The implementation more complex. Uh, Working of an when array become full, and if we try to add an atom, it creates a bigger size elements memory on heap. Copies the current memory element in new memory. New atom is added and there is bigger memory. When new element is added, there is a bigger memory available, and then it deletes the old memory. Some of the important features of array list are: it inherits the abstract list classes and implement the list interface. Array list is initialized by size. Size is increased automatically if collection grows. Java array list allows us to randomly access the element in that list. Array list cannot be used for primitive type like integer, character, etc. We need wrapper classes for that. Array list in Java can be seen as the vectors. Array list cannot be synchronized. It has a synchronized class in Java, that is vector. Constructor in array list. We need to create an object of array list classes. In order to create an array list, the array list class consists of an various constructor which allows the possible creation of array. Some of the construction of array list are: first one is array list. This constructor used to build an in array list used to construct a empty array list, means we can add element in that array. Array list ARR is equal to new array list. It can be created as. Next one, array list collection. This constructor is used to build an array list initialized with element from collection. Array list ARR is equal to new array list in bracket C. Next is array list in capacity, means this constructor we can use this to build array list with initial capacity. This array list can be with an initial capacity, means array list ARR is equal to new array list and number of elements in that. There are different types of method in array list. First one is add method, which is add in which we can insert a specific element at specific position in an array list. Next is contains method. It can boolean contain method, which returns true if list contain the specific element. So if not it can return false. uh, Next is get method, returns the which can get the element at specific position and returns the element in specific position in the list. Index of next is index of, it can occurrence of first element in that specific index. If not available in that, it returns the -1. Next is the last index, which index of last occurrence of specific element is returned. If not, it can be written minus. Next is um, set method, which replace the element at means which replace the element at that particular position and replace that element with new one which can be added by users. Next is size, which returns the number of element in that array list. Next is to array, it returns the this method is used to returns an array containing all of the element in list in correct order. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.